Today things have gotten serious, and in this quarantine time, I felt like why to stay negative? Let's do something for ourselves. Let's take out some time and do something for our skin and for our health. I got something for you and few tips and tricks what you can take care of yourself in this quarantine time. My number one tip is avoid sweets. Yes, avoid sweets. In this time where everybody have stocked, even I had a chocolate yesterday which I had to throw. So yes, you have to avoid sweets in the quarantine time to take care of your health, so that once this lockdown is over, you can take care of yourself and you stay fit and healthy. My second tip would be do some meditation for peace of mind and body. It is very important for the health in this time. Third point would be take a good nap. Keep your phone aside and take a full nap of at least 8 hours, which is very important for our health right now. And with that, let's switch to 4. That would be avoid masala, avoid oils, which creates a digestive problem because there is no activity. We are not doing any kind of activity. So you have to avoid masala and oils to take care of your beautiful skin, to make it more glowy and more youthful. 5 number point, that is vitamin C. Vitamin C is in many fruits like oranges. You can take vitamin C tablets. You can take any citrus fruit like kiwi, lemon. You can have these kind of fruits which will provide you vitamin C. My next tip for you guys would be taking care of your skin in daytime. You have to follow 3 steps. That would be cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Yes, moisturizing is very important for your skin in the daytime, and after moisturizing I would recommend you to use sunscreen also. I know you would ask that we are not going out in sun, then why do we need sunscreen? But while we are at home also, at that time also we need sunscreen, and we need to reapply it after every 2 hours. So for the moisturizer, you have to make sure that you're applying the creams in upward directions, but while you're applying the sunscreen, you have to apply it on downward direction, but not forcefully. You have to be very gentle to your skin, otherwise in future you can have wrinkles. My next step would be night care. That would be again cleansing, toning and nourishing. So you have to choose a good night cream. At night time, our skin takes time to repair. It's time to heal, it's time to repair, it's time to nourish. So apply a nice night cream at night time after cleansing and toning, and it will help beautifully on your skin, youthful, wrinkleless and glowy skin. My next tip for you would be to have lots and lots of water, and please add chas and coconut water in that. That will help your skin to glow, that would help your digestion system. And my last and final tip, take 3 liters of water and put 3 spoons of fennel seeds in that. You can boil it and let it cool down at room temperature, and after that you can use that water in the whole day. It will help you out a lot. The people who are having diabetes, people who are having bad immunity system, digestion problem, constipation, it heals everything, because our stomach is the key. If your stomach is okay, your skin and hair and body would be absolutely fine. So first of all, take care of your stomach. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.